I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Hey, thanks for joining me on today's car, and I know why you're here. You're here because, wow, that's a good-looking car. I said the same thing, and now we need to figure a way, after we're done all of what we're going to do today, to find a way to get it in your garage. So we'll spend some time today talking about the quality of paint, because that's important. Nobody's ever come and said, hey, Tone, do you have any primered cars for sale? No, they don't say that. You know why? Because everybody likes nice, shiny paint. I think too. The details of this car are great. Lastly, if you wanted to, which is so cool, this is my favorite part about the business, is the Yenko package, just like it was done from Yenko Chevrolet, is all decals. They all come off. Maybe you want to put SS stripes on here instead of Yenko. Maybe you want to take it all off and put nothing on there. Whatever it is you want to do, you can do that, and we can make that happen for you. All right, so I want to talk about color and paint because, again, like I said before, nobody ever says, hey, Tone, you got any primered cars? I love primer. No, nobody ever says that. They want a nice, shiny car, a great-looking car, and that's exactly what we have here. I want to explain to you what that means, right? Because every car in photos looks good. Well, we do a video for a reason, because you want to see the detail of the paint and what have you. So this is Rally Green, which is a fabulous color to begin with. And if you know anything about paint, older cars had just regular paint. I'll call it flat paint, but it's not really flat, but that's what we called it back in the day. These cars are metallic, right? What did that do for the paint? Well, that was a game changer. What it did is it grinds up fine, tiny pieces of metal dust, right? They add it to the paint, and what it does is it reflects the sun, the lights, and things like that off it much better. That's why today's cars are so shiny and sparkly, okay? Okay, got that. Now, let's get to the paint part and become a professional. I want to give you a small lesson on how to do that. So what we want to do is we want to look at the paint. No, we don't anymore. We don't want to look at the paint. We want to look in the paint. You say, Tone, what does that even mean? When you say that, I go, what is that? Is that guy crazy? Yes, he's crazy. However, hear me out for a second. When you look at a car from the outside, it looks nice and shiny. But when we look at things in the paint, meaning the lights in the ceiling, the electrical cords that run along to connect it, the ribs in the metal part of the ceiling, the font of this piece of paper here, when we do that, then we know what kind of paint we have. When you can see all of that nice and crystal clear and what I call a mirror finish, that is beautiful paint. Okay. All right, so we want to take a peek under here. You know, this is interesting. We have two types of clients that get a car from us here at Flemings. One of them wants just a cool car to drive, enjoy, what have you, take out friends, the kids, whatever. And other people might want to do that as well as take them to car shows and things like that. This car in particular is what I call over-restored. Well, Tone, what does that mean, over-restored? Is that bad? Well, no, it's not bad. However, if you wanted to go get judged somewhere, they might say it's nicer than it was at the factory, and that's exactly what this car is. That doesn't hurt my feelings. It's a car that I would rather have. Look at how beautifully painted in gloss black all of this is in here. This is way nicer than it would have come from the factory. Remember, they're making millions of Novas a year. Painted and detailed engine. This has some things on it that we forget to ask about, like power steering and power disc brakes, because these cars didn't come standard with those things, right? And then all of this stuff with the decals, call outs, painted under here beautifully, right? You've seen the pictures of it underneath. I keep talking about it because a lot of money was spent underneath this car, and it's just beautiful. And what a great little 350, making little 300 horsepower, maybe even more, who knows? And because these are so light, right? They are faster than Camaros. All right, so we got that great kind of Yenko SS call out in the back here, which I think looks so good. Great sounding dual exhaust. If you were to look underneath this car, which you can see the pictures underneath, the underneath is spectacular. It's as nice as the top. It is beautifully detailed. It might even be too nice. I don't know if there's such a thing, but it's that nice. Inside here, we have all of this stuff done correct, right? Meaning we have the splatter coat paint in here, which looks great. Have the new trunk mat that's in here. This is all painted and buffed, new weather stripping, what have you, all of it there. All the hard work's been done. All you have to do is find a way to get in the seat and go for a ride. All right, so you're walking up to your cool car going, man, that is a great looking car. However, that's the look that everybody else is going to get to see all the time. You're going to be inside rowing the shifter, doing what you love to do, making that exhaust sound. Let's get in here and see what that looks like. You hear that? That is a nice sounding door. That takes a while to get that. So we have all new seat covers, carpets, carpet mats, dash pad, headliner, steering wheel, painted dash. I want to talk about the radio for a second too, because this has a cool old school Pioneer Super Tuner. However, they make a retro sound radio which fits right in that space there. You can stream your music to it. Looks kind of stock and cool, right? However, it's all digital guts inside, and that's really a nice touch. Again, you got your nice dash here. Here we have that great 4-speed, and it's nice and tight. Her shifter. We've talked about a lot of stuff. You know what we want to do? We don't care about all the other stuff. We need to go for a ride. Everybody likes to hear the rumble, and this car makes a great rumble. All the time, man, don't Novas just go kind of just like a Nova slow? And I'm like, no, but they also handle too when you put a little effort into them. You make a good suspension, put big wheels and tires, and that's why I like to go on these windy roads for a little ride. I'm not doing a lot of talking because you know why? I'm enjoying the drive, and I hope you're enjoying the drive too. What a great sound that exhaust makes. This is a great test drive, is it not? Wow. When you think about getting a muscle car, many people say, oh, they just go straight, or they're just not easy to drive, and they're old, and not when you get a good one. Like a one that's restored like this car here, goes around the corners really nicely, the bucket, the shifter, the console, the gauge is all lit up, working like they're supposed to. Butter smooth her shifter. And we are enjoying a day out of the work. All right. Anyway, thanks so much for getting me out of work today. Really appreciate it. A couple small things. If you don't mind, hit the like button down below. That helps get our message out. I'm always very thankful for that. Subscribe to the channel. We got new stuff coming out all the time. And maybe share it with your friends. They might see something they like as well. People honking, giving us the thumbs up. Everybody loves the Nova. I don't know what it is about Novas, but everybody loves them. I told you that'd be a great test drive. Was I right, or was I right? That's why people love Novas. This is one of the most followed cars we have here. Always gone. Wanted to get it out there quickly before it's gone. Power disc brakes, power steering, beautiful undercarriage. I mean, if you're going to go to a car show, you need to get some mirrors so you can show everything underneath there. The inside all nice and fresh. It is just a fabulous, fabulous car, and we need to find a way to get it in your garage.